Thanks for tuning in again to Food Trends Live. I'm Casey McAuliffe with TurboChef Technologies, and we're here to talk now about the TurboChef 2020 conveyor oven. When I say TurboChef 2020 conveyor, what I mean is my cooking surface is 20 inches wide and my cooking chamber is 20 inches long. So that's where we get the 2020 nomenclature. This oven is actually configured with a 50-50 split belt, which means I have two 9.5-inch belts that can run at different speeds to run different types of products through the same oven cavity. What's unique about TurboChef's conveyor is we're utilizing independent airflow. When I say independent air, I can control my top air versus my bottom air separately of each other to get the proper bake. On a product like a pizza, that's usually always is more bottom air than top air. So this oven right now is in what we call a sleep mode or an idle state. All I need to do to wake it up is press this idle button, and when I press this button, you'll hear the fans come back up. Now this oven, when it goes to idle, does not reduce cavity temperature. All we do is slow down the fans and slow down the belt. So when I press it, it takes 3 seconds for those fans to come back up to RPM and the oven's ready to cook again. When you go into that idle state, it's saving you 30% on your energy bill. So I have a large pizza here. This is raw dough, 2-topping, pepperoni and sausage. My belt is set to 3 minutes for this product. So I simply place the product on the belt and it's going to pass through the chamber. This oven does not have any microwave energy, it's only air impingement from, again, the top and the bottom. So our pizza has exited the cavity. So now I'll press the idle mode, put the oven back to sleep, save that 30% of my energy bills again. Now you see our pizza's ready. Nice golden brown top and bottom. Even browning all the way across the pizza. And this is cooked about 40% faster than a standard conveyor oven. And again, without the need for that vent hood. And because you have that dual independent air control, it's really easy to dial the oven in for your different products on your menu. And now we're just demonstrating the split belt capability of the 2020. So I have frozen ovenable French fries on the rear belt, which is set to 3 minutes. And I have ciabatta sandwiches here with turkey and Havarti cheese that we'll put on the front belt, and that belt's set for 1 minute and 10 seconds. But notice they're both going through the same oven. So you get a lot of cross-utilization out of one product on your kitchen counter. So you see 1 minute and 10 seconds, our sandwich is coming out. Beautiful brown coloring all the way across, melted cheese. The meat will be hot in the center. And then followed shortly behind it on the rear belt will be our French fries. So our fries are ready. I hit the idle button, put the oven back to sleep. And here's our oven fries. So crispy, golden brown. You see how much oil we actually removed from the product that's now on this tray. So this is a little bit healthier product for your operation. We'll serve these up with our little ciabatta sandwich here. There you have a sandwich and French fries all out of the same oven, all done without a vent hood, 30% less energy. So hopefully you learned a little bit more about TurboChef and TurboChef's ventless countertop conveyor. Once again, thanks for joining Food Trends Live. We'll see you next time.